Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. Now today we are going to sort sum in this chapter. So let's start. First of all, this short sum has been asked in University 2015. Rami and Nami are partners in a joint venture sharing profit and loss in the proportion 3 raised to 2 respectively. So Rami and Nami, બે partner છે and the profit ratio 3 raised to 2. Rami supplied goods of 81,000 from joint venture and paid 1620 for a carriage on goods supplied. Nami sold all the goods and realized 108,180. Nami paid the amount due to Rami and settled the account. Write journal entries in the books of Nami. So here they asked to write journal entry in the books of Nami. Okay, Nami ની books માં આપણે શું લખવાની છે? Journal entry લખવાની છે. So how can we write journal entry? So you can directly write journal entry or you can write with the help of joint venture account. So here I show to give effect by the joint venture account. એટલે કે રફમાં આપણે joint venture account બનાવી દઈશું અને એના બેઝિસ પર entry લખી દઈશું. So in a rough page you should prepare a joint venture account. So it will be very easy to write journal entry. Okay. So let's prepare joint venture account and remember in which books we have to write in the books of Nami. Okay, Nami ની books માં લખવાનું છે in the books of Nami. First joint venture accounts. Okay, so now let's give effect. So first of all, which transaction has been done? That Rami supply goods of 81,000 from joint venture. Who supplied the goods? Rami. Okay. So suppose normally points nu આવે the partner purchased the goods. Okay. If purchase we give effect on debit side of joint venture. Here supplied the goods. Okay. એટલે Rami એ goods આપ્યું છે. So indirectly remember we write in the books of Nami. Okay, so remember one point we have solved last 3 or 4 video about this. So if transaction done by himself, then we have to write bank or anything else, or if transaction done by other partner, so we have to write other partner. Here done by Rami, so here what we should write? Rami. Okay, Rami એ શું આપ્યો છે? Stock આપ્યો છે 81,000. Okay, and paid expense, the same expense paid by Rami, so here we should write Rami. Expenses 1620. Okay, then Nami sold the goods. Okay, Nami a goods sold કર્યું છે, so sell છે credit side but done by Nami, so what we have to write? Bank account. Sell, and sell done by Nami 108,180. Okay, Nami paid the amount due to Rami and settled the account. Okay, clear. Okay, account finish થઈ ગયું. There is only 3 entry. So let's close the account. 108,180 minus 81,620. So difference is 25,560. It's a profit. And profit distributed between Rami and Nami. First name is Rami. So Rami અને જે નામીનો profit છે એના P&L માં જશે. Okay. Total 25,560 and profit ratio 3:2. So 15336 10224. Clear? So this way prepare joint venture account and also prepare which આપણે નામીની books માં લખીએ છીએ તો કોનો account બનાવવું પડશે? રામીનું પણ account prepare કરવું પડશે. Okay, so let's transfer this entry joint venture stock 81, joint venture expense 1620, joint venture profit 15336. This bank entry will not come. જે રામીની entry આપણે આપીશું ને. So the if you close the account, difference here 97,956. Okay, it is the closing balance and it was been in the question they told that Nami paid the amount due to Rami and settled the account. જે due છે, this is the due amount. It was the paid. Okay, amount ને શું કરી છે? Paid કરી દીધી છે. Okay, this amount has been paid. here you can write the closing balance or payment or bank draft. Normally bank draft જ આવે છે real life માં. So you can write here closing balance or maybe you can write here bank draft. Both are allowed. Okay. Now in this question they ask to write journal entries. Okay, journal entries લખવાની. So how to write journal entries? Do one by one all transaction. Okay, or you can go with your joint venture account. First of all, this Rami stock લઈ જાય છે. So what will be, sorry, stock લાવે છે. So what will be journal entry? So very simple point. First journal entry. So now here we have to prepare journal with the help of account. Okay, account થી તમારે journal prepare કરવાની છે. ઓકે, જે અકાઉન્ટ છે અકાઉન્ટ્સ માંથી જર્નલ પ્રિપેર કરવાની છે. ઓકે, so first point about the Rami. Okay, Rami brings stock 81,000. Here we give effect joint venture debit side. So think about what will be journal. Okay, accounts પર journal શું બનશે? So here this entry will be given joint venture debit side. Okay, entry ક્યાં આપેલી છે? joint venture માં debit side. So joint venture will be debit and Rami will be credit. Okay, first journal joint venture to Rami. Okay, this is about stock. And also after write journal you can check the effect. Okay, suppose if you are going to give effect of this journal to joint venture, where will be entry come? So here we debit joint venture. So joint venture debit side, what we have to write? Rami, right? So journal આવી રીતે બનાવીને ચેક પણ કરી લેવાની. And it's a common rules, you know very well how to write journal with the help of account. Account પરથી journal કઈ રીતે બને આવડવી જોઈએ. તો એનો સિમ્પલ જ રૂલ છે. joint venture માં તમે debit side entry આપી છે. You give entry joint venture debit side. So for every this point, every this entry joint venture will be debit. Okay, joint venture debit થશે અને આ બધું credit થશે. Suppose here I prepare a trading account. Okay, and here I write the purchase. So what will be journal? Very simple. Here trading account માં debit side entry છે. So trading will be debit to purchase. Clear this journal? Suppose in a credit side I write the sell. So what will be journal? So trading માં credit side entry છે. So trading will be credit. And what debit? Sell will be debit. Okay, આ simple rules છે. Accounts પરથી journal લખવાનું તે. Okay, so જે account હોય trading account છે. So trading account માં debit side entry હશે તો trading will be debit. અને trading માં credit side entry હશે તો trading will be credit. Just apply these basic rules and write the journal with the account. So now we have to write the journal step by step. Second point શેનો હતો? After the second point 1620, it is about the expense. So here it is will be effect. So what will be journal? Same joint venture debit છે. So joint venture account debit side expense to Rami 1620. Then next entry here, next was Nami sold all the goods. Okay, about the goods selling this side. So here this entry was given joint venture credit side. Okay, joint venture માં કા આપી છે? credit side. So joint venture will be credit and what will be debit? Bank account. So the journal bank to joint venture sell amount 108,180. 180. Then Nami paid the amount due to Rami. So it will be about the closing amount. જે closing માં amount pay કરશે તે. But let's check. We have give all effect. We have give these three effect. Okay. But remember also we have to give effect of this profit. Okay, profit ની પણ effect આપવી પડશે. So here it will be debit side of joint venture. So joint venture will be debit. Okay, joint venture debit થશે. 2. Who will be credit? So here two account will be credit. This was Rami and PNL. Okay, Rami and PNL. Rami and PNL. 25,560 and 15,336 10224. So here we should write this entry. Okay, a journal about what? About this supply goods, about this expenses, about this selling, and here તે પોઈન્ટ રાઇટ જર્નલ એન્ટ્રીઝ ઇન ધ બુક્સ ઓફ નામી એટલે કે નામીની બુક્સમાં જેટલી પણ એન્ટ્રી આવે બધી આપણે એન્ટ્રી આપવી પડશે. તો ઇફ યુ પ્રિપેર નામી બુકમાં જો આપણે અકાઉન્ટ્સ પ્રિપેર કરીશું તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ વી પ્રિપેર ધીસ જોઈન્ટ વેન્ચર અકાઉન્ટ એન્ડ ઇન યુ કેન સી ધેટ ઇન જોઈન્ટ વેન્ચર હાઉ મેની entry will be given. First stock, then expense, then sell, and also profit. So we should write journal entry also for profit. And in a Rami accounts, here look at we find out the closing balance, bank draft જે account settle કરશે તે. So we have to also write the journal entry about this. Okay, આની પણ journal entry લખવી પડશે. So I also explain this. What is this? It is in the books of Nami. Okay, Ramini kai balance hai? I told you the difference come debit side, so it is called credit balance. Okay, એ કઈ બેલેન્સ કહેવાશે? ક્રેડિટ બેલેન્સ કહેવાશે. 97956 ક્રેડિટ બેલેન્સ મીન્સ ઇટ્સ અ ક્રેડિટર. ઓકે, અને ક્રેડિટરને શું કરવું પડશે? પેમેન્ટ કરવું પડશે. સો હિયર નામી હેઝ ટુ પે મની ટુ રામી. ઓકે, રામી એ શું છે? ક્રેડિટર છે, તો ક્રેડિટરને પેમેન્ટ કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, સો હિયર નામી paid 97956 to Rami. Okay, Nami એ રામીને પેમેન્ટ કરવું પડશે. And here we write the books in the Nami. Okay, એટલે નામી પેમેન્ટ કરે છે. So what will be the fifth journal? નામી પે કરે છે. તો પેમેન્ટ કરે છે એટલે બેંક ક્રેડિટ થશે અને પેમેન્ટ કોને થશે? રામીને થશે. Okay, 97956. Okay, or even in question they told this point. Look at here. Nami paid the amount due to Rami and settled the account. Okay, જે amount due છે તે amount pay કરી means about this. So if in a question they give the point like this, write journal entries in the books of Nami. So you have to write journal about the all transaction like purchase, sale, expense. And after that you have to write journal about what? The profit or loss of joint venture and the closing balance of the partners account. એ બે પણ તમારે journal કરવી પડશે. Okay, clear? So here this sum was completed. Now let's see another sum, and it is the important sum. This sum has been asked in 2017. Then the same type sum asked in 2014 and also the same type sum asked in 2019 ATKT. ઓકે, એટલે એક જ રીતનો દાખલો 3 વખત પૂછાઈ ગયો છે આ. ઓકે, અમાઉન્ટ અને નેમ ચેન્જ કર્યા છે, બાકી સેમ દાખલો અગાઉ પૂછાઈ ગયો છે. So let's solve this sum. So here Hanny and Kenny enter into joint venture. They purchase goods of 1,72,000. They decided to sell goods at 9% profit on cost. Okay, decide શું કર્યું છે કે આ રીતે goods sell કરવાનું છે, 9% profit on cost. Hanny sold some goods for 97060 and Kenny sold some goods for 59900. એટલે કે બંને goods sold કર્યું છે. Hanny and Kenny purchased the remaining stock in the ratio of 3:2 at 25% profit on cost price. So what we have to write? We have to write the journal entry for a stock in the books of Hanny. Okay, Hanny ના બુક્સમાં આપણે journal entry લખવાની છે. About only for stock. Look at here. શું કીધું છે? ફક્ત સ્ટોકની journal લખવાની છે. We don't write every journal like the previous sum. Okay, only for a stock. Okay, સ્ટોકની જ આપણે journal લખવાની છે. So it is the important question because same type question asked for 3 times. Okay, so let's see. Here you have to use your some common sense. Okay, first of all, what happened? They purchased goods of 172. Okay, so means total purchase how much? 1,72,000. Now think here. They decided to sell the goods at 9% profit on cost. Okay, goods ने 9% profit थी sell करसे. Hanny sold some goods 97060 and Kenny sold some goods 59900. એટલે કે goods એ લોકોએ sell કર્યું છે, amount of sale is given. And Hanny and Kenny purchased the remaining stock in the ratio of 3:2 at 25% profit on cost price. So here they have purchased this total 1,72,000. Okay, આમાંથી શું થયું છે? Some parts has been sell and the remaining was taken over by partners. ક્લિયર 172 માં થોડું સેલ થયું છે અને બાકીનો ભાગ શું છે પાર્ટનરે લઈ લીધો છે ક્લિયર બીકોઝ અહીંયા સેલિંગ પણ આપેલું છે અને હેનિંગ કેની પરચેઝ ધ રિમેનિંગ સ્ટોક ઇન ધ રેશિયો ઓફ 3:2 means we know that at the end of the year okay at the end of the business they take over the remaining goods okay તો બાકીનું goods એ લોકો લઈ જાય છે okay so here important part is that how much goods has been sold and how much goods take over by the partner okay total આટલું goods છે so here it will be divided in two parts okay here એક તો સેલ પણ થયું છે and second the remaining taken over by partner. So first of all we have to do this calculation. So write whatever given they decided to sell the goods at 9% profit on cost okay so just I write here they decided to sell goods 9% profit on cost and here look at sales is given Henny નું sell કેટલું છે and Kenny sell okay both person sell is given Henny sold 97060 and Kenny sold 59900 okay બંનેનું selling is given okay Henny and Kenny બંને જે sell કર્યું છે એ આપેલું છે here 97060 and sell by Kenny is 59900 if you total this 156960 okay it is total sell okay it is the total sell done by them now here how much goods has been sold okay think practically total 172,000 નું goods છે here they didn't sold every whole goods okay એમાંથી some goods sell થયું છે some goods sell look at here clearly told that sold some goods here sold some goods not every okay બધું goods sold થયું જ નથી because remaining taken over by them so here important part is that from 1,72,000 how much goods had been sold okay 172 માંથી કેટલું goods sold થયું છે એ amount available નથી here we have a sales 157,960 you cannot say that 156,960 has been sold because it is the sales price and they sold the goods 9% profit on cost okay એટલે આમાં profit add કરીને amount આવેલી છે this is the amount after profit after adding the profit so what will be the actual cost of this 156,960 so here we have to find out the cost of goods which has been sold જે goods sold થયું છે એની cost કેટલી છે એ આપણે find out કરવી પડશે so here sell the goods 9% profit on cost is given okay કઈ રીતે sell કરેલું છે 9% profit on cost so here just suppose cost 100 okay so what will be profit will be 9 so 109 it will be sell now just push this step if sell 109 then the cost is 100 here sell is 156,960 156,960 so what will be the amount 1,44,000 what is this it is the cost of goods sold okay જે goods sold થયું છે એની આટલી cost છે it means how much goods has been sold from this 1,72,000 okay so 172 માંથી કેટલું goods sold થયું છે it has been 1,44,000 goods has been sold okay from this 1,72 clear એટલે જે total 172 છે એમાંથી કેટલું sold થયું છે 144 sold થઈ ગયું છે so what will be now remaining okay remaining કેટલું હશે 172 માંથી 144 sold થયું છે you can also check 144 sold થયું છે 9% profit થી okay આમાં 9% તમે જો add કરો તો 12,960 so you will get the amount of sale 15690 okay it is the same amount look at here clear એટલે જે goods sold થયું છે ને actually cost છે 144 એને 9% profit એ લોકોએ sold કર્યું છે so it is the important part how much cost of goods sold Now what will be the remaining amount? Okay, very simple, 172 માંથી 144 less કરી દો. So the remaining goods was 28,000. Okay, it is the remaining. How you will get this? Total જે 172 છે એમાંથી 144 less કરી દો તો આપની પાસે 28,000 આવે છે. It is the remaining goods which is take over by the partner. Clear? And here actually we want this point because look at the question at the last. Write journal entry for the stock in the books of Henny. કોની journal entry કરવાની છે? Stock, જે remaining stock partner લઈ જાય છે તેમ. So how much goods? There are total 28,000 goods remaining, and it was taken by Henny and Kenny purchase the remaining stock in the ratio of 3:2 at 25% profit on cost. Okay, એટલે આની actually cost છે પણ કઈ રીતે લઈ જાય છે? પણ profit થી લઈ જાય છે. So let's find out that. Let's do calculation here. Goods taken over by Henny and Kenny in ratio 3:2 with 25% profit on cost. So here cost કેટલી છે? 28,000. Okay, and they take over 25% profit થી લઈ જાય છે. So 28,000 at 25%, it will be 7,000. So 35,000 rupees goods has been taken over by them. How much Henny and Kenny? કેટલું Henny લઈ જશે ને કેટલું Kenny લઈ જશે? So they give ratio 3:2. So 35 ને 3:2 માં આપણે distribute કરી દઈએ. So here 3 divided by 5, 21,000, and here 14,000. So see, this is the goods taken over by Henny and Kenny. So now the last point, what we have to write? We have to write journal entry for the stock in the books of Henny. What they ask in the books of Henny. So I just prepare here account so you will get the idea. In the books of Henny. Okay, Henny ની books માં entry આપવાની છે joint venture. Okay, so just think where this entry come in the books of Henny in joint venture. So Henny જો goods લઈ જાય છે, okay, Henny good લઈ જાય છે એના માટે આપણે શું લખીશું? Stock લખીશું. And if it taken by Kenny, so what we should write? The Kenny. Clear? So this entry will be given in the books of Henny, right? Henny ની books માં entry આવશે joint venture માં. જે પોતે લઈ જશે તો stock લખશે ને Kenny લઈ જશે તો Kenny લખશે. Now what will be the journal entries? Okay, if you prepare this way, so you can easily write the journal entry. Okay, account બનાવો તો journal entry માં વધારે વિચારવું નહીં પડે. Now the journal entries. So here joint venture credit છે, so here joint venture will be credit. Okay, joint venture માં credit side entry છે, so joint venture will be credit. And what will be debit? That is stock and Kenny. 21,000 and 40,000, total 35. Clear? So this is the journal stock Kenny to joint venture. Okay.